Welcome! Are you seeking a life of financial independence and early retirement? Today, we're going to explore 20 effective tips to help you achieve that goal. Each one is fleshed out in detail to ensure maximum comprehension. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Start saving early. Time is your most valuable ally when it comes to financial growth. The sooner you begin saving, the longer your money has to accumulate and multiply through the magic of compound interest. Even modest savings, when made consistently, can snowball into substantial sums, laying the foundation for your retirement. Prioritize savings as a line item in your budget, and remember, it's not about the amount you save, but rather the habit of saving that truly matters. 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. High-interest debts, such as credit card debt and personal loans, are the adversaries of financial independence. These debts consume your resources and detract from your ability to save and invest. Prioritize these high-interest debts and strive to pay them off as soon as possible. This will free up more of your income to be invested in your future. 3. Live below your means. This principle is straightforward yet vital to achieving financial independence. It involves spending less than you earn, allowing you to save more. It might require disciplined budgeting, limiting non-essential spending, and resisting impulse purchases. The savings can then be directed towards investments or building your retirement corpus. 4. Increase your income. While budgeting and frugality are crucial, they have limits. This is where boosting your income comes into play. This might involve advancing in your career, developing a side business, or monetizing a hobby. The additional income can be channeled towards savings and investments, accelerating your journey to financial independence. 5. Automate your savings. Consistency is key in financial planning, and automation can help ensure this. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts, you guarantee that a portion of your income is consistently being saved. This not only aids in budgeting but also eliminates the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. 6. Diversify your investments. Diversification involves spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes to minimize risk. Investing in a blend of stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps even commodities or international markets can provide a healthy balance of risk and return. Diversification aims to maximize return by investing in different areas that would each react differently to the same event. 7. Utilize tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Utilize tax-advantaged retirement accounts. These accounts, like IRAs in the U.S., offer tax benefits that can boost your retirement savings. They often come with employer match programs, tax deductions, or tax-free growth, depending on the account type. Contributing the maximum to these accounts can help you take full advantage of these tax benefits. 8. Continually educate yourself. Understanding personal finance is a lifelong journey. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions about your finances. Read books, listen to podcasts, enroll in online courses, and stay informed about economic conditions and market trends. This learning will empower you to make better financial decisions. 9. Create multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Creating multiple income streams can provide financial security and increase your income. This might involve investing in real estate, starting a side business, or building a portfolio of stocks and bonds. Multiple income streams not only increase your income but also diversify your income sources, making you less reliant on a single income source. 10. Regularly review your financial plan. As you progress towards financial independence, your circumstances and goals might change. Regularly reviewing and updating your financial plan can help you stay on track. It's also an opportunity to review your investments, rebalance your portfolio, and adjust your savings and spending as necessary. 11. Invest in real estate. Real estate can provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation over time. You might choose to invest in rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding platforms. Real estate can also provide diversification benefits as it often performs differently than stock and bond markets. 12. Understand your risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance is a personal attribute that helps determine your ability to withstand potential financial loss. Knowing your risk tolerance can help guide your investment strategy. If you're risk averse, you might choose to invest in more conservative investments, while if you're risk tolerant, you might choose to invest in riskier assets with higher potential returns. 13. Set clear financial goals. Having clear, measurable goals can provide motivation and direction. These goals might include a target retirement age, a savings rate, or a desired income in retirement. Reviewing these goals regularly can provide motivation and help you stay on track. 14. Prepare for healthcare costs. As we age, healthcare often becomes a significant expense. Understanding your healthcare options, including health insurance, Medicare, or health savings accounts, HSAs, can help you plan for these costs. An HSA, in particular, can provide tax benefits and is an excellent way to save for future healthcare costs. 15. Plan for long-term care. Long-term care, such as nursing homes or in-home care, can be expensive. Having a plan for long-term care can prevent these costs from depleting your retirement savings. This might involve purchasing long-term care insurance or setting aside savings specifically for long-term care. 16. Reduce your living expenses. Housing, transportation, and food often make up a significant portion of our budgets. Reducing these expenses can free up a substantial amount of money for savings. This might involve downsizing your home, choosing a more affordable city or state to live in, driving a used car, or cooking at home more often. 17. Maximize Social Security benefits. If you're in the U.S., Social Security will likely form a part of your retirement income. Understanding how to maximize these benefits can provide additional income in retirement. This might involve delaying benefits to increase the monthly payout or understanding the implications of working while receiving benefits. 18. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can derail your financial plan. Having an emergency fund can provide a safety net and prevent you from dipping into your retirement savings. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, but the right amount depends on your personal circumstances. 19. Consider early retirement implications. Retiring early can have significant implications, including a longer retirement period to fund, potential penalties for accessing retirement accounts early, and the need for healthcare coverage before Medicare kicks in. Understanding these implications can help you better plan for early retirement. 20. Seek professional advice. Financial planning can be complex, and professional advice can be beneficial. A financial advisor can provide personalized advice, help you create a comprehensive financial plan, and guide you towards your goal of financial independence and early retirement. There you have it. 20 detailed tips on how to achieve financial independence and retire early. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires persistence, discipline, and a sound strategy. Start today, and take one step at a time towards your financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, kindly do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, so we can keep creating content that can be both helpful and informative. Thanks and have a great day!